But joining me now is David Peters, financial advisor and CPA. David, thanks so much for coming on the show. Does this data by Pew surprise you that so many investors have actually lost money in the crypto space?
No, I mean, I don't think that I'm that surprised at that result. I think that you hit the nail on the head. I mean, I think that a lot of folks got really excited about Bitcoin last year and the crypto markets in general, and I think that we're starting to see that some of that excitement is going away. I would also offer, though, too, it's been a tough market overall this year, and so bear markets are hard, and what we're seeing is that cryptocurrency is not immune to some of those ebbs and flows of the market.
Right. Well, as a financial advisor yourself, David, what mistakes do you see people make when they decide to invest in cryptocurrency?
Yeah, I think that the issues still continue to be people not really knowing what the product is, not really understanding the fact that still a new product. We don't have a long track record with cryptocurrency in comparison to stocks, bonds, and kind of the classic investments that we see. And so there's still a lot of risks that we just may not be aware of. I mean, the long term track record just isn't there yet, and so I think that's an issue. I would also say too that just the lack of a regulation and oversight. I think a lot of people that sort of turns them off from investing in cryptocurrency. And I think that just getting used to the idea of cryptocurrency being a viable financial asset within a portfolio. It's just a new concept, and that's just going to take some time for people to get used to.
So, David, if people did get in at the height back in November for the Bitcoin market, we saw Bitcoin close to $70,000 a token, a far cry from where it was then today. Do you think people should hold on to those investments, or do you think that they should sell if they got in around the top and they still hold that Bitcoin?
I think it depends on what you're investing for. I mean, if you are able to hold on over the long term, then I think that eventually not only the cryptocurrency market, but just the markets in general, I think will start to turn around. I think that cryptocurrency is one financial asset within the portfolio. I think that you should always have a diversified portfolio of investments. And I think that you should, again, also realize that, that we don't have the track record on cryptocurrency like we have with some other things. And so if you have the patience, I think that it could have a spot in the portfolio. If you have sort of more of a short-term investment horizon, then maybe we might want to look to things that are a little bit more liquid, where returns are maybe a little bit more easier to come by.
So if you are looking, let's say for the long term, David, to add cryptocurrency to your portfolio, what's an appropriate allocation? Are we talking 3%, 5%, perhaps maybe even more than that?
I think you have to look at what you're investing for, how long your investment horizon is, and also just how comfortable are you with the risk. I think that is the big thing to look at with crypto, is because there is this kind of unknown factor. So we don't necessarily recommend a strict rule of thumb. I think, again, it's going to depend on one investor or another and kind of ultimately their goals.
Interesting. Well, David, I do want to talk about some of the crypto spending that we've seen, because as the market for cryptocurrency has tumbled from those late November highs, we see advertisements in the crypto space coming down as well. So $85 million in February, around the time of the Super Bowl, even as crypto was declining, but just $35,000, believe it or not, spent on ad spend for the crypto space last month. I do see a new partnership with Dak Prescott, of course, big time Dallas Cowboys quarterback. Does that change the game at all? Do these athlete sponsorships and advertisements impact the crypto space?
Well, I think what you're seeing is that you're seeing that cryptocurrency is still trying to establish legitimacy. I mean, one of the reasons why you have a celebrity endorsement is that you're trying to lend credibility to the product. Dak Prescott has said that they are looking to push information out, and I hope that is the case. I think that if they can push good, reliable financial information, help people to understand what cryptocurrency is, then overall, I think that's a good thing.
All right, David Peters, we're going to leave it there. David's a financial advisor and CPA. David, so good to get your take. Thank you.